Good morning, good morning, morning. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover. And this is day three of the 12 days of Christmas. Thank you for joining us. And we are doing another one of our teas. Today's tea sounds super interesting. It is Blooming Rose Black Tea. I keep turning it as if the words are not on both sides. Blooming Rose Black Tea. I'm really excited about this. Let's see what it's like. Let's get it going. Ooh, it smells good. Oh, it's got actual rose petals. I can see actual rose petals. Let's see if I can get some out of here. This water is boiling hot, so I don't want to. Look at this. There's actual rose petals in it. Wow. That's exciting. It's so pretty. Get it in that water, let it start seeping. This is going to be interesting. Okay, that smells good. Blooming Rose Black Tea has black tea, rose petals, cardamom, almonds, pistachio, and saffron. Wow, what an interesting mix. Okay, so it's 65.6% black tea, 19.7% rose petals, 6.5% cardamom, 4% almonds, 4% pistachio, and 0.2% saffron. Kind of wonder why they bother. It must add just a little bit of flavor. Really interesting mix. It smells so good. I am super excited. The rose petals are sticking all over the inside. They're floating. I don't know how much they're going to add to this. It's pretty, but they're definitely floating. I think this is one where the bag stuck down inside might have helped some. We'll see. We'll let it steep for a bit, and then we will see. So, how is it going? This is day 3 of the 12 days of Christmas. A lot of people looking forward to New Year's Eve coming up this weekend. We do not have big plans. Getting things starting to get things picked up around here. I did remember yesterday I said my big goal was to get the dining room table cleared off, get the wrapping station put away, and I did that. Boy, was that a big project. But it felt wonderful to get that cleared off. And let me tell you, it wasn't just cleaning that off. That table has not been cleaned off in months. And I mean months. Part of the problem is it ends up being a workstation for me because I don't have a place for my business stuff. And so it all lands there. And some of it is still there, but it's nice and neat and tidy in a box. And I do need to figure out where I'm going to put some of that stuff. We have a very small house. I don't have an office. So a lot of that stuff, it just lives there. And that may end up being what it is, but it's got a nice, neat, tidy box, and it's just going to live there. So unless I can figure something different, that may be where it is. And I can live with that as long as everybody is aware that that's where its home is, and it is a nice, neat, tidy box. But I think every house has a dumping ground, and that table is the dumping ground. I was thinking as I was cleaning it up, I'm a huge fan of baskets. Mr. does not like baskets. I like baskets. If I could get some baskets, or even some of those wooden crates that you see me use at the craft shows, get some wooden crates with some labels on them for certain things, that makes me happy. Then it's not just everything thrown on the table. Even if they're just put into the crates, the baskets, specific things, then at least I feel like it's just a little more under control. That's kind of my goal for this year. Are you guys goal setters? I'm I'm not big goal setters because I find the goals go by the wayside within a few minutes. But and I feel like this is my goal every year, is to get this house under control. But it's beyond out of control. And I want to do it in little bitty baby steps, little bitty bites. You know, how to eat an elephant one bite at a time. And boy, do I have an elephant here right now. So little bitty one bites at a time. And as of today, the dining room table is under control. So we'll see how long that lasts. Probably by the end of the week, it'll be out of control again. But as of right now, the dining room table is under control. So I'm very proud of myself for having achieved that one goal that I set for myself yesterday. And it was a lot of work, but it looks super nice. And I was very tired by the end of that event. And I actually did a couple other little things too that I've been wanting to get done for a long time. And it's recycle week at the garbage. Our recycle is every other week. I know some people it's every week, but for us it's every other week. So that was important to get that stuff done. Let's see what this tastes like. It's so funny because so many of these, they really don't taste like a lot at first. I can taste the black tea. I don't taste anything really heavily like what I would, of course, I don't know. I don't know what to expect rose to taste like. Isn't it funny though that we drink flowers? I know you can drink nasturtiums. I've seen violets in things. Lavender. Okay, excuse me. I've seen lavender in a lot of stuff. I thought I was going to have to pause it, but I think I'm okay now. It's good, but I'm not getting almond. I'm not getting pistachio. I'm not getting saffron. What else was in it? The rose. Oh, it's making my nose run. Cardamom. It's good, but I'm not getting anything really forward in any specific flavor. Just the combination of it is just good. Yeah, I like it. But I can't pick out any specific flavor. Let's let it cool for just a moment more. I'm going to let it seep a little bit more too while we visit just for a moment more. Let me know. Do any of you guys have any specific things that you are wanting to accomplish? I don't want to say resolutions, and we'll talk later in the week about resolutions. But is there anything that you guys would like to accomplish that maybe you're kind of thinking of for this time of year, maybe? And this is nothing new. I got to get some things under control here. That, my yarn is taking over, and yeah, I hear that from Mister on the daily. But it's just finding locations for stuff, and I've got some ideas. For things, how that I can accomplish some of that stuff. So we'll see how that goes. But boy, that felt so good to get that table cleaned off yesterday. Got a lot going on today. I get to go have lunch with my granddaughter. That's going to be nice. Yeah, this is pleasant. It is, none of the flavors are super strong, but I like them. I like it. I think the rose gives it just softens. Yes, I think the rose is softening the black tea flavor. That's the best way I can describe that. It is good. I would definitely drink this again. I would definitely pick this up and drink it again. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you'll take 10 minutes of your day and sit down and relax and take care of yourself. I am really enjoying these 10 minutes a day, sitting down and enjoying a cup of tea, and I hope that you guys will do the same, whether it's coffee or tea or some other beverage. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye. We'll see you tomorrow.